Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Price Links. My name is Phil Flynn. I'm Senior Market Analyst at the Price Futures Group, as well as a Fox Business Network contributor. Here's a man that we have with us today that made some incredible calls. He got bullish on sugar and corn before being bullish on sugar and corn was cool. I think I even called him out saying, hey, we're going to have a record crop of corn. Frank Petrika of the Price Group. Welcome, Frank. Great to have you here.
It's great to see you.
Yeah, man, I'll tell you, that was a pretty bold call on corn and sugar, and both of them came to fruition. How did you know?
I've got news for you.
Yes.
The move has just begun.
Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We're holding positions in sugar from 1330.
Wow. Where did we close
over
lately?
19.
Holy smokes.
Yeah. And we bought corn
Uh-huh.
at 364.
Wonderful.
And the market's well over $4.
Right. And this is a trade that wasn't supposed to happen. All the fundamentalists are saying,
Nothing.
no, we've got
And
too
we
much
talked
corn and
about
too
that.
much sugar. Yeah.
And we talked about
We did
that.
talk about that.
And that's the way most of my trades start.
Yeah.
I'm in the lower 25% on all of my trades.
Correct.
When I buy.
Right, when the prices get to the lower 25% of the last
Right.
couple years.
Last 30 years.
Last 30
40
years?
years.
40
50
years.
It
Wow, okay.
Yeah, from contract inception.
Okay.
And when my long-term formula turns up,
Right.
I don't care what the fundamentals are.
Right.
I don't care what they are.
Right.
I start accumulating positions.
Right.
And corn, there are people that are surprised about this move.
Sure.
Surprised.
Yeah.
We had a crop progress report come out yesterday. 75% of the corn crop is good to excellent right now.
And they're, what, 98% planted? I mean, we've got it
Yeah.
all in the ground.
And corn keeps going up every single day.
Right.
You know why?
Why?
Because Frank is long.
That's right, the Frank Petrika trade. If he gets longhorn, everybody buy. Well, that's good. Well, you do look at this from a historic perspective. In fact, you said you came up with a new idea, some new way to look at this.
Oh, okay. Here's what I've got now.
Okay.
All right. I've got a situation, a new situation that is so exciting. I call it the T-pad.
The T-pad.
We've heard
Sort of like
we
the
know,
tea potty, the
we know the
iPad.
iPad. Okay, this is called the
Were you inspired
T-pad.
this because you spilled tea on your iPad?
No,
Is that how this came up?
I don't know. I was up at 4 o'clock in the morning and it came to me.
All right, well, tell us
The
what it is.
T-pad
We're short on time.
is to protect asset differential or the asset differential.
Okay, explain real quick what that is.
Basically, what we're doing is we're buying silver
Okay.
and we're selling the Dow, the mini Dow.
Interesting. Interesting.
That's T-pad. It's the protect asset differential. That's it.
interesting. The T-pad.
It's called the T-pad.
And what's-
now,
what's the
here's the
philosophy
deal.
behind it?
We have
Okay.
the Dow, the mini Dow, in the upper 25% of the
Correct.
long-term trading range.
Sure is.
My long-term formula is down,
Wow. Okay.
so we're shorting
Right.
the Dow, the mini Dow.
Which has been a scary trade.
Silver is in the lower 25%
Wow. Okay.
of the long-term trading range.
Okay.
My long-term formula is up, so we're buying silver.
Right.
And if you take a look at this chart,
Yeah.
it is totally amazing, this differential chart.
Mm-hmm.
And call me for my newsletter, and I'd be more than happy to send this to you.
Right.
It's exciting, very, very exciting. As far as fundamentals go, it all's basically based on the weak dollar.
Right.
In my opinion, the economy right now is nothing but a phony deal.
So the Fed can't raise rates, which means
No.
the dollar is overvalued.
It's way overvalued.
Okay.
The only reason the dollar is where it is and where the stock market is because we continue to print money, print money, print money,
Right.
and one of these days, the chickens are coming home to roost.
We're going to run out of ink.
We're going to run out of dollars.
We're going to run out of dollars.
Yeah.
Okay.
The dollar, I feel, is at its top right now.
But everybody else in the globe is printing stuff. Couldn't you say that about any currency on the globe right now, basically?
Yeah, and they're in turmoil.
They're in turmoil.
Europe is in turmoil.
Totally
there
turmoil.
There are problems all over the world right now.
London might vote to leave on this Brexit thing. You know, the Europeans might, the UK guys might say, the heck with this UK experiment.
Exactly.
Or the EU experiment, excuse me.
Again,
Yeah.
nobody knows for sure what's going to go on. Just like nobody knew for sure
Right.
about corn.
Nobody
or
did.
sugar.
Or sugar.
No.
No, people were saying those
But
were
let me tell
crazy
you
trades.
something. When you establish positions at extremes,
Right?
good things usually happen.
So in other words, you have found a way to define buy low and sell high.
Yes.
There you
How
go.
hard is that?
Shh, don't tell everybody your secrets. Make them get the market letter. Sign up. Where do they call you,
Let's
Frank?
see. Let's see. What is that called
What's
again?
your phone number? It's called buy low, sell
To
high.
protect asset differential.
Protect your asset and your differential
your
with this guy.
asset.
Sets. And thank you everybody for Price Ranks. Give them a phone number. I'm cutting out of here.
Call me, please. 312-286-9320. My website, longtermfrank.com.
All right, longtermfrank.com. Tune in. This guy's amazing. And thanks everybody
Thank
for
you.
Price Links.
Thank you.